all up and running. The only thing I need to do with setting up the SVS50, I need to black pen it, otherwise the angle it's been set at isn't quite the same as the recommended angle. But if you draw a black line across the wheel parallel with the tool rest, and then you can set your angle with a black pen on the bevel, which is, I'm nearly done. I'm putting a radius on this one, but it's been badly ground in the past, so it'll take me a few minutes longer to finish it. It's very, this is very useful for setting the protrusion and rough angle distance, I should say. But the angle on this skew is odd. But there you are. It's very happy with it so far.